Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace a button plug on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll simply need to open up the door that you're replacing the plug on, be it the freezer door or the fresh food door. If it's the fresh food door, you may note that that button plug is partially covered by the handle. So we'll need to remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the handle to the door. And simply slide the handle a bit sideways so that you get full exposure for that old plug. And then taking a thin blade putty knife, we'll pry the rest of that out. You can discard the old one. We simply need to press the new one fully in until it's flush. Then we simply need to reposition that handle. We'll reinstall the retaining screws. We can close up the refrigerator door, and your repair is complete.